Have they ever wondered what it's like to step onto the red carpet with a Hollywood star? Picture this: a dazzling premiere, a loving couple, and a sweet kiss shared under the flash of cameras. Josh Hartnett and Tamsin Egerton recently graced the premiere of Trap in New York City. Hartnett looking sharp in a black suit, and Egerton stunning in a black gown, radiated love and glamour. In the upcoming thriller, Hartnett plays Cooper, a father caught in a police sting to capture a serial killer. The movie boasts a stellar cast and is set to send up the leads on August 2nd. And Hartnett's resurgence in Hollywood has been accompanied by Egerton, his partner in both life and success. Their relationship timeline includes working together, welcoming children, and quietly tying the knot. As a devoted fan, I eagerly anticipate Hartnett's return to the big screen. His desire to explore family-friendly projects is endearing. In a recent interview, Hartnett expressed interest in roles suitable for his children, hinting at a potential animated movie venture. Imagine the joy of sharing such an experience with your little ones. And now, a joke. Why did the actor break up with his internet girlfriend? Because he had too many frames. That said, thanks for watching, and until next time,